Namaskaram. As the part of our series, Amaranmar Marangalayirunnu, today we are getting to familiar with the shrub Tulasi plant. Tulasi plant is an aromatic shrub which belongs to the basil family and its botanical name is Ocimum santum. Within Ayurveda, Tulasi plant is considered as the mother medicine of nature and is also the queen of herbs. And in Ayurveda, it has another meaning called the incomparable one. Within India, Tulasi has been adopted into spiritual rituals and lifestyle practices that provide a vast array of health benefits that are just beginning to be confirmed by modern science. Tulasi is perhaps one of the best examples of Ayurveda's holistic lifestyle approach to health. Tulasi tastes hot and bitter and is said to penetrate the deep tissues, dry tissue secretions and normalize kapha and vata. Daily consumption of Tulasi is said to prevent disease and promote general health, well-being and longevity and assist in dealing with the stresses of daily life. Tulasi is also credited with giving luster to the complexion, sweetness to the voice, fostering beauty, intelligence, stamina and a calm emotional disposition. And another important thing about Tulasi is Tulasi has a unique combination of pharmacological action that helps in the well-being and resilience. While the concept of an adaptogen or herb that helps with the adaptation to stress and the promotion of homeostasis is not widely used in Western medicine. There are some other studies that reveals that Tulasi has a unique combination of actions that include antimicrobial, antifungal, mosquito repellent, anti-inflammatory, neuroprotective, anti-hypertensive, memory enhancement, etc. The physiological effect of Tulasi has its ability to assist the internal housekeeping and also protect the body from the toxin-induced damage. The laboratory studies have shown that Tulasi protects against toxic chemical-induced injury by increasing the body's levels of antioxidant molecules. And next is the role of Tulasi in cancer. In cancer, Tulasi helps to prevent the damage caused by the toxic materials by preventing the damage of DNA. The ability of Tulasi to protect against the damaging effects of various toxicants has been documented in numerous experimental studies. These studies attest to the ability of Tulasi to prevent liver, kidney and brain injury by protecting against genetic, immune and cellular damage caused by the pesticides and other chemicals. Along with the protective action against the toxic chemicals, Tulasi also have the ability to detoxify the harmful effects of the heavy metals like lead, chromium, mercury, etc. The another benefits of Tulasi includes it reduces the physical stress, mental stress, metabolic stress, and it is a very good medicine for infection protection. Like yoga, Tulasi has the calming effect that clears the thought and will give more relaxed and calm disposition. And Tulasi also have a divine part. In Hinduism, it is considered as a goddess and every part of the plant is considered as sacred, including its leaves, flowers, stem, etc. Just look, a small shrub in your house and in your premises gives you this much benefits and still you are running behind some artificial medicine to shape your body and for calming your mind. Walk into the nature, look into the nature, the solution is there only. Thank you.